Introducing the 200 Spider Go-Kart for sale from saferwholesale.com. Check it out. This unit has all kinds of goodies on it, as you can see here right in the video. You've got nice shocks with all kinds of room for rough terrain. Check it out. You've got disc brakes in the front, extremely nice knobby tires in the front and the rear as well. And this one here, 5-point harness. You've got your nice seat belts in the front. The cage, again, to hold you in really well, along with, you've got your nice, wonderful horn there. And check it out, super bright LED lights on the top and front bottom here. Check it out. Call us right now, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. We can ship these nationwide right to your front door. You've got a nice large gas tank there. And again, disc brakes in the rear. You've got your nice alloy rim and tire. Again, knobby tires there. Check it out. Call us right now. Again, saferwholesale.com. Phone number here is 866-606-3991. That's the number to call. And you can order yours today. We can ship them nationwide. Easy assembly on these. They're going to come about 85% assembled. You've got to add the seats, seat belts there, steering wheel, battery, and the roll cage. Check it out. Call us right now. Again, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. We'll take it for a ride here in the next video, number 2. And thanks so much for watching. Order yours today. Call right now, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.